It's dropping here at the edge of the box for Bowes. It's played back out, and the strike in from
Oh, what a goal!
Flies into the net to put Bowes 1-0 up. Way out. About 30 yards, Donnelly strike. This is a sneak past Nix.
Sean Brennan taps us apart. Sean Brennan passes the ball to track Matty Gibson. Matty Gibson, her team love it, Clay. Danny Chisoas. Spacey Gear, Casey Howe wants him off. Casey Howe! Oh, Casey Howe! Leis Taffo! Well, being Cúil Tilsa, a lead go piece of skill.
I want to see some fresh. From distance, Murray! Murray! Yes! Well,
Son of Fern, I guess. Or the Woolworth Tech, Tucky Eki Gumra, Hurko, Honichi, and Tooth the Bliana. Roddick, and let's go home! A bit of Dorothy, Grulich, Colin the Germano, Honick, Tooth the Bliana.
No Treaty United player wants Ciann Malloy running at them. Still Malloy, can she get the shot off? She does! And it's a winner for Wexford at the date with 15 seconds remaining in normal time. And Wexford have won it. Heartbreak for Treaty United, who deserved a point at the very minimum from this game. But Ella Malloy shows her class.
Julianne running in the box.
Anya walks at it now. She's looking for support. She finds Ellen Malloy. Malloy takes a long shot
that's a
into the
super
back of the
goal.
net.
Absolutely super strike there by Ella Malloy.
And Wexford FC have taken a 1-goal to nil lead.
the goal difference is very, very similar. There's little or nothing in the goal difference.
Brennan
That's a
takes
good
it on.
goal.
Oh, and what a goal! What a goal!
That's a worthy. That is super.
What
And look
a
at the smile on her face.
Comes through to Farrelly. Farrelly shoots. Oh, what a finish! Lee Farrelly with the goal. The first since returning to the club there in the previous transfer window.
I think Matty Gibson's kind of thinking, have a shot here, but
Now there's four. Savannah McCarthy joins the wall and they take 4 steps forward.
oh my
That's
God!
it. Oh, wow.
What a free kick!
What a goal by
Matty
Madison
Gibson take a bow.
This is one that we'll see again and again and again down here at Rome Stadium. We just see the free kick again here. Madison Gibson has equalised for Athlone. Great chance here to Shelburne. Really, she's a test keeper here, Gareth. Kavanagh. Kavanagh!
Well,
1-0.
well. Oh my God, what a fantastic goal there. Well, this kind of was it was just a perfect free kick. You often see.
Bravely heads it on. O'Kane, strike from distance. What a strike from Melissa O'Kane. She's brought her side level with an absolute rocket. 35 yards out. Melissa O'Kane has done so well there.